Friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Butrin XL. The formula in Butrin XL is bupropion HCl. This medicine is made by Genetics Pharma, and this box has 30 tablets in it. The price of the box is 564 rupees. This medication is used to treat depression. It may also be used to prevent seasonal affective disorder, a type of depression that occurs each year at the same time, for example during winter. This medication can improve your mood and feelings of well-being. It may work by restoring the balance of certain natural substances like dopamine, norepinephrine in the brain. This medication is taken by mouth with or without food as directed by your doctor, usually once daily in the morning. The dosage is based on your medical condition, liver function, etc. Do not stop taking this medication without consulting your doctor. Your dose may need to be gradually decreased. The off-label use for this medication is also to quit smoking cigarettes. This medicine has been successfully used in the people who are addicted to nicotine because this works by changing the chemicals in the brain, and eventually the people who are addicted to cigarettes stop smoking. So if you are addicted to cigarettes, you can use this medication under a prescription of a doctor to quit that habit. I hope you like the video. If you like our videos, subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.